we walked around just to look for something. Guys, good morning. This is Jay once again and welcome back to Vlogsetter. For today, we are here in Saga Bus Center and we are going around Saga. First of which is the Inari Shrine. Yutoku Inari Shrine. And we're just waiting for our bus and it should be coming in less than 15 minutes because the schedule of bus going to that place is 11:45 a.m. Yes, it's high noon and it's kind of sunny already here in Japan.
Binababa niya talaga pag may paakyat, may tree.
The next bus coming is the bus to be, so we're just waiting for a few more minutes and should be here. We are waiting for bus number 81. Check natin if it would be here on time or ahead of time. So it should be here in a minute, otherwise it's late, guys. But I think I'm seeing it already. The board, guys, it's so cool. It's on time, like real on time. Look at that. Hey guys, so we just arrived here at the bus stop and it says here that it's just 5-minute walk to Yutoku Inari Shrine. So let's go walk. Actually super high noon, look at that sun, but it's cold. Finally here on the top, and look at these gates. Nasunod-sunod and it looks very new. It's really nice here at the top for pictures and the view, of course, but you really have to bear with several steps up and several steps down. And this part here, guys, is the pond with the famous giant kois. Like, look at them. Hindi masyadong kita in the video, but let me give you another shot.
Parang hindi niya bibigyan ng hustisya ng picture yung laki ko.
Guys, so from the Inari Shrine, we walked around just to look for something to eat, and it's just that it's hard to find a place to eat here. We actually found one from, or a recommendation from the tourism office here, but unfortunately they did not have the English menu. So ending, we found a convenience store, 7-Eleven, and that's where we took our late lunch. It's now almost 4 p.m. and currently we're here in the track station, and we are just waiting for the train going to Tara. It's like anytime from now there will be zombies coming in, but here's the ticket. It cost us, magkano nga to? 280. Ayan pala siya. Yeah. 280 yen from here in Hizen Kashima Station to Tara. So let's just wait for the train. Huh? That was 2 trains ride, and we're now here in Tara, and just walking to find what we need to find. It's already almost 5 p.m. Guys, it's here. Look at that, my background, the Torii Gates. It's just around 5 minutes walk from where we dropped off. Low tide today, guys, so we could clearly see the gates lined up here. Minsan kasi hindi na siya nakikita kapag ka nandito yung tubig. This is it. Look at that gates, and fortunately wala din masyadong tao, and so we have all the view all to ourselves. And finally back in the hotel, guys. It's almost 11 p.m. That was after the huge struggle of finding somewhere to have our dinner. Medyo maaga nagsasara yung mga restaurants here. We are almost about to get another one from the convenience store, but good thing may isa pa kami naabutan doon sa station. Although ramen lang yung mostly yung sinaserve nila. But that's about it, and if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click that notification bell below so that you will get updated with more of my videos only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one.